Welcome back to the channel, luxury lifestyle enthusiasts and lovers of the finest nautical engineering on the planet. Today, we are setting sail into the ultra-exclusive world of practical megayachts, or rather, a vessel that blurs the line between a traditional home and a superyacht. If you have ever dreamed of selling your landlocked property and escaping to a life on the water, you have likely looked at traditional houseboats and felt underwhelmed by their cramped interiors. Prepare to have your expectations entirely rewritten. We are taking an in-depth tour of the breathtaking HBY 140 SolarYacht, a floating masterpiece that is being widely described as a glass-wrapped penthouse specifically designed for full-time luxury living. This is not just a recreational vehicle, it is a full-sized architectural marvel created by a company that understands off-grid living should never mean sacrificing opulence. To comprehend the monumental scale of the HBY 140, we have to look at its foundational engineering. Unlike standard pontoon boats that rock with every passing wave, this floating mansion is built upon an incredibly stable aluminum trimaran hull. It measures a staggering 20 meters, or roughly 65.6 feet in length, and stretches 7 meters across the beam. These massive dimensions translate to 140 square meters, which is over 1,500 square feet of pure living space. When you step aboard, you are greeted with an expansive layout that heavily utilizes floor-to-ceiling wraparound glass to provide uninterrupted panoramic views of your aquatic surroundings. It essentially operates as a lavish floating penthouse suite that you can pilot to whichever secluded cove or bustling marina catches your eye. What truly sets the HBY 140 apart from other luxury watercraft is its fanatical dedication to sustainability and off-grid independence. Arek Radzievski, the founder of SolarYacht, engineered this vessel specifically for clients who prioritize environmental consciousness. The standard specification comes equipped with a robust solar array consisting of 4 massive pals paired with a 5 kilowatt-hour battery and matching inverter. If you are serious about severing your ties to the shore, you can upgrade that system to feature up to 12 high-efficiency solar panels. When paired with the optional water filtration system that physically purifies lake water for domestic use, alongside an advanced biological wastewater treatment system, this houseboat is capable of near year-long self-sufficiency. Owners can rely entirely on solar power to run the home from April all the way through to October without needing to plug into a marina dock. When it comes to propulsion, SolarYacht offers a wide variety of customizable options to suit the cruising needs of the buyer. The standard HBY 140 is propelled by reliable gasoline outboard engines, producing a combined 120 horsepower for smooth navigation. However, staying true to its eco-friendly mission, buyers can ditch the combustion engines and opt for an advanced all-electric setup featuring silent e-drive pods, a backup generator, and an electric anchor. You can even customize the exterior glass, opting for a white reflex tint that drastically increases daytime privacy without sacrificing the breathtaking outward views. The entire vessel can be integrated with smart home technology, allowing you to control the climate and lighting directly from your smartphone. Stepping inside the main living area, the level of bespoke craftsmanship is instantly apparent. The standard layout positions a stunning kitchen right in the middle of the floor plan. It is appointed with only the absolute highest quality premium appliances, masterfully hidden from sight behind sleek, handleless cabinetry finished with flush faces. It looks less like a traditional galley and more like a minimalist culinary space you would expect to find in a multi-million-dollar home. Adjacent to this massive kitchen is a highly versatile extra room that owners can configure as a formal living room, private office, or spacious guest bedroom. The primary suite is where this floating penthouse truly earns its title. It is the stuff of dreams, featuring a massive king-size bed surrounded by that glorious floor-to-ceiling glazing on 3 sides, meaning you wake up literally surrounded by the water. The suite includes a private aft terrace where you can step out for your morning coffee and a luxury ensuite bathroom, complete with a full glass shower.
Recognizing the need for proper hospitality, the designers also included a highly spacious guest bathroom, which ensures that visitors do not have to awkwardly walk through the master bedroom just to use the facilities. If the interior living spaces were not impressive enough, the exterior deck spaces take the HBY 140 into a league of its own. The crown jewel of this floating estate is the colossal 100 square meter roof terrace. It completely rivals the sun decks found on massive mega yachts. Buyers can customize this massive upper deck to function as the ultimate floating beach club, outfitting it with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, a barbecue station, a dedicated cocktail bar, a dining table, and a bubbling jacuzzi. Ultimately, the HBY 140 SolarYacht is a profound statement about the future of nomadic luxury. It proves you can live entirely off the grid without giving up comfort, space, or premium design. Thank you so much for joining us on this in-depth tour of this incredible glass-wrapped penthouse on the water. Let us know in the comments below if you would trade your traditional house for this fully loaded solar yacht. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more luxury yachting news.